Hello students, this is Dr. Akash and today I have a new topic on class 11th, that is limiting reagent. Reagents, also known as reactants, are basically of two types. One is excess and another one is limiting. So, what is limiting reagent? Look here, that reactant which reacts completely in the reaction is called the limiting reagent, and the reactant which left unreacted or not completely used is known as excess reagent. Means if we have a reaction that A plus 2B combines to give C, then between A and 2B one reactant can used completely and another one can left behind with some quantity. After the formation of C, that reactant which completely used is known as limiting reagent, and which is left is known as excess reagent, and this is our product. Now we have a question from NCERT that 50 gram of N2 and 10 gram of H2 react to give ammonia NH3. Then identify the limiting reagent. Now we write first the chemical reaction. N2 plus H2 gives NH3. Now balance it. N2 plus 3H2 gives 2NH3. So first of all we done the molar calculation. Given weight of N2 is equals to 50 gram and molecular weight is equals to 28 gram for N2. Now given weight of H2 is 10 gram and molecular weight is equals to 2 for what? For H2. Now the number of mole of N2 is equals to 50 upon 28 and number of mole of H2 is equals to 10 upon 2. Now solve it. Now this is 1.7 and this is 5. So according to equation, 1 mole N2 requires 3 mole H2. So 1.7 mole will requires 3 into 1.7, that is 5.1 mole H2. We can also calculate this as its reverse, like 3 mole H2 needs 1 mole N2, and same as 1 mole H2 will needs 1 upon 3 mole N2. Now 5 mole H2 will need 1 upon 3 into 5 mole N2, and that will be equals to 5 upon 3 equals to 1.66. Now from this 1.66 we know that N2 is excess reagent, और मैंने क्या कहा था कि रिएजेंट दो हो सकते हैं, एक हो सकता है लिमिटिंग और दूसरा हो सकता है एक्सेस। तो जब हमें पता चल गया कि जो एक्सेस रिएजेंट है दैट इज़ N2, देन लिमिटिंग रिएजेंट विल बी H2. Okay, so it is confirmed that H2 is limiting reagent. Now the question is that how much NH3 will form? For calculation of NH3, 3 mole H2 gives 2 mole NH3. So 1 mole H2 will give 2 upon 3 mole. So we have 5 mole H2 here. Now it gives 2 into 5 upon 3 mole NH3. Solve this one. 10 upon 3 is equals to 3.33. Now molecular weight of NH3 is equals to 14 plus 1 into 3, that is equals to 17. So amount of NH3 formed is equals to number of mole into molecular weight, which is equals to 3.33 into 17. So the answer is 56.61 gram. Now we look for the next question. The question is 3 gram of H2 react with 29 gram of O2 and form H2O. Then find limiting reagent, amount of water formed, and amount of reactant left unreacted. So first of all, write the equation. H2 plus O2 gives H2O. Now balance it. 2H2 gives 2H2O. Here the molecular weight of 2H2 is 2 into 1 into 2, that is 4 gram. Weight is 2 into 16, that is 32 gram. And weight of water is 2 into 1 into 2 plus 16, that is 36 gram. Now we know that 4 gram of H2 needs 32 gram O2. So 1 gram H2 needs 32 upon 4 O2. And now in the question we have 3 gram H2 and 29 gram O2. So 3 gram H2 will need 32 upon 4 into 3 is equals to 24 gram. And the available O2 is 29 gram. So amount of O2 left unreacted is equals to 29 minus 24 is equals to 5 gram. Now, next part of question is how much water will form. So we know that 4 gram H2 can form 36 gram water. So 1 gram will form 36 upon 4. We have only 3 gram of H2. Then 36 upon 4 into 3. That is 27 gram. This is the final answer.